2018 Lexus LC500h Hybrid. Lexus's stunning LC Coupe, which starts at $92,995, is an impressive achievement in that it looks and feels as distinctive and special as you might hope for a car approaching $100 coupe, with options, even cresting that amount. Beyond its wild styling and gorgeously outfitted interior, the 471 horsepower LC500 we drove earlier this year derived a large amount of character from the free-revving, naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 mounted up front. That fact made us somewhat wary as we approached the subject of this test, the LC500h Hybrid, which costs $4,510 more but has 117 fewer horsepower from its gas-electric drivetrain using an Atkinson-cycle 3.5-liter V6 and 2 electric motors. On the road, the multi-stage hybrid systemís operation is distinct from other Lexus and Toyota hybrids that use the familiar hybrid synergy drive setup. Because of the unique transmission, there is a sensation of step gears shifting whenever the gas engine is running, which is preferable to the high RPM droning weíre often forced to endure from hybrids equipped with CVTs. But the LC500 has power delivery still ain't quite suited for hard driving, even in Sport or Sport Plus mode. The ìshiftsî are strangely slurred and artificial, keeping the powertrain from feeling truly responsive and making for an odd soundtrack. It certainly cannot hold a candle to the auditory thrills of the LC500ís V-8 and the crisp shifts of its conventional 10-speed automatic.